I'm so excited to be here because as more as I'm listening to Rudy, I know that how much I don't know. So basically these events teaching me how to be much better represent my clients and be focused on their needs more and more instead of doing the same things as they saying, you know, emailing homes and just going through very quickly. So my purpose to being here, and I know a couple of months I'm going to be such a good agent, even better than I was before, which honestly most clients, all of my clients really like me and came back to me or referring me, but I know for a fact that I know so little what this whole program, RUDY'S program, is about, and I'm going to be so good next year 2020, and I'm going to crush it.
So this is 3-day conference. It's with RUDY'S team, Your Home Sold Guarantee, our company, and so excited to be here. Rudy is fast implementer, so he doesn't waste a second to implement the system. So that's why I'm here. I want to get his energy and implement as soon as possible the system, the principles, and how to serve people, how to serve them the better with our system. So that's why I'm here. I want to learn as much as possible and go home and implement right away. Don't wait. Implement right now. So that's why I'm here.